we can auto farm. As you can see, it's doing automatically. Hey yo people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you the latest trick how I got script for Blue Lock Rivals absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get this online, and later we will test it. Does it actually work? So you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. So guys, for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, and click on browse scripts and click on Blue Lock Rivals. So there guys, we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com profile and copy your profile URL. So guys, you will find this and just copy your profile URL, and let's get back to the tool and just click on this button to paste your Roblox user ID. It will automatically scrape your user ID from that copied profile URL link, and just click continue. So guys, it should search for our user account. So as you can see, user found, you should get this message, and there we go. It's my name and it's my avatar. So guys, there we go. And now we will have to click here to select, do we have any executor in our Roblox currently? If you have any executor into your Roblox, click I already have different executor. If you have Delta executor, click yes, and if you have no any executor, click no, and we will import Delta executor. So guys, I have no executor currently and I want to import Delta executor. It's important because we need to import Delta executor in order for script to work. So look now, we will select a script that we want to get pre-installed on our Delta executor for Blue Lock Rivals. So click on Nick use guys. So we will get this script on Delta executor on our Roblox. So when you select this, click continue and wait for this third step to API to connect. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. I will review more websites, so stay tuned. And let's see, now API is connected. Nice guys. So as you can see, we already got our activation key generated, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Blue Lock Rivals script with key. So guys, it's one-time verification and you don't have to worry. And what we'll have to do here is we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. Guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download TikTok, you can download Domino Dreams, you can download this, you can complete simple questionnaire. It's really up to you what will you complete from this list. So what will I do now? I will download TikTok and Domino Dreams. How will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, you don't have to worry. And one more important step is to follow their instructions. So for each task, you will have to follow their instructions. So for TikTok, I will download and install this, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Domino Dreams, I will install, open and complete chapter 5. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I've just completed this and this task from this list. As I said, TikTok and Domino Dreams, and I have followed their instructions, and I got this message guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. It should redirect us every single second. So let's see together. I won't skip this video. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check guys. Our user ID connected and our key is connected. Now is that step of video where I will open my Roblox and we will test together does it actually work. So let's see. We will now open our Blue Lock Rivals and we will see does it actually work. So guys, we should receive delta executor along NICU script, and then we will test it to see does it actually work. So still nothing. Okay, it should get right. Nice, guys, there we go. We got our delta executor now, and we got our NICU script. So guys, just click there on execute, and let's see does it actually work. So it's a bit laggy now. Okay, nice, guys, there we go. We got our blue lock rival script, guys. As you can see, we got all these amazing options, and it works amazing. As you can see, we can do literally whatever you like to do. It has literally a lot of options. So guys, we can auto farm. As you can see, it's doing automatically. So this script is amazing. You can play and use all these options I will leave. And guys, that's pretty much it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.